Hi, this is Melanie. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful heart-shaped wreath. It's filled with assorted succulents, and a lot of succulents that we have here will become more pinkish purple or more orange yellow in the sun. We have a video on our YouTube channel that you can check out, and we actually show you how to make your own succulent wreath. We actually show you the method of making one, and that's a fun video to check out. For the succulent heart wreath, this is great to have, especially during Valentine's Day. You give this a gift to yourself or to someone very special in your life. This basically is better outdoors. It's better if it's given full sun to filter light, water about once a week. I recommend putting this wreath into, and actually taking it down and submerging it in a tub of water until it's thoroughly moist, and do that about once a week. Now, this succulent heart-shaped wreath will last you for at least a year or so, and then see these succulents here will actually grow out, and so you have to take it out, trim it, and then you can reinsert it back into the wreath. Thank you for watching.